Meaning of economy.
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 Economy. Economy refers to the system by which a society produces, distributes, and consumes goods and services. It deals with how resources, such as labor and capital, are allocated within an organization or country. The state of an economy can be measured by indicators such as gross domestic product, GDP, unemployment rate, inflation, and trade balance. A healthy economy is characterized by low unemployment, stable prices, steady economic growth, and efficient resource allocation. In contrast, a weak economy may suffer from high levels of unemployment, inflation, and slow growth.